umuntu osiza abantu ukuthi babe nemali ngoba yena uyayibala akanayo. What is the meaning of that? Kushuthi ufuna ulungisa spelling lapho. Ungayibala kanjani into ongenayo? SiseThekwini sikuWest Street. Siyathobeka ngayo yonke into enisenzela yona. Sibonge nama comment eninawo. Siyabonga kakhulu ubonga kwaBdokotela babesizwe bajabulile. Namhlanje sizoshutha. Yazi namhlanje ngiphethe imali eholwa imantshi. Le mantshi yakugwebayo. Ihola le mali kodwa ayikaze ibone. Yazi awubi manje ungayona advocate. Bahola le mali. Le mali baBdokotela uthana ibale ku YouTube. Hey madoda imfundo yethu yasicindezela. Abelungu basifundisela ukuthi sigqilazane sodwa phela le manje ayikho into eyenzayo. Ugcinezela abanye abantu ngamacala engabangawenza ngoba bahlulwe ukuprove innocent mase bethi you are technically proven guilty, otherwise bring a new evidence. Manje baBdokotela ubala lo mali le mali lena imali eholwa imanje le. Le manje iholwa imanje thina sike sibala nje ngezandla. Namhlanje sikhuluma isihloko sethu sithi end heal. End heal isithwalo. Ngoba mina ngibona ukuthi lento eyithwalo ngeke ngiyiyeke. Ngiyayibona iyasebenza ngeke ngiyeke. Into esebenzayo ayiyekho. Kufanele intombi eqomayo ishelwa njalo. Then isithwalo ke sesiduli. Sifuna ukuchazela abantu ngesithwalo sasesidulini ukuthi isithwalo sesiduli siyenziwa yini la ekhaya. UBaBdokotela uyakwazi nokuthwalisa umuntu ngesiduli. Kodwa ngicela ungeze uzongifunda umqondo ukuthi ngizokudla amaqele nawe. Uphethe imali engaphelele lokuthi hayi ngizobe ngikhokhe. Ngizobe ukhokhe ngobani? Asikunikeze into yangempela. Asikunikeze into yangempela. BabuDokotela ukhuluma ngesugar. Topic yethu number 1 sikhuluma ngesugar, isugar siyothando. Ishugazi nansi bakithi. Nansi ishugazi siyakhele abantu abathandanayo. Lento iphuza umuntu wesimame osuke ene challenge. Uma yabantu besilisa kuba amanzi abashidi kube amanzi yonke into ngenxa ukuthi isibeletho sakhe sinomanzi isikhiphayo. And most likely ishugazi yenziwa nayilwane lezi enithunyelelwa zona. Hayi ukuthi umuntu wesifazane usuke ephethe kana. Yebo ugearbox wakho usuke weak kodwa ke nazi ilwane lezi enithunyelelwa zona bathakathi ziyenza ukuthi umzimba wakho ugcine uphuma amanzi. Ngisho ukuthi sikwakheleke ishugazi ungaloko khala uthi baBdokotela onako yena okwethu thina abantu besifazane safo ubumanzi. Sikwakhele sikukwena ukuthi wena uyafuna yini ukuthi usizakale. Ikhona ishugazi ukuthi userious ngicela ufone number 076 334 3641 wena osegoli. Wena sesoyidathela ngomzimba 061 538 2925. Izathu ukuthi ngitagge lanto adayisa ngomzimba i-target market yami. Ibona abantu abanokhalo olwiki kakhulu ngenxa ukuthi ingxenye isitho sabo sisebenza kakhulu ngeke ngisho ukuthi yini kwena ozocabangela sisebenza kakhulu ngalondlela ke uthola ukuthi ke sibayidinga ke ishugazi. Into enhle ngeshugazi ungalala namadoda awu20 ashaya iQ akhokha wonke imali efanayo. Ayikho ezwayo ukuthi khona sebedlulile lana ishugazi ke leyo. UBaBdokotela namhlanje siyabonga kakhulu neweather ukuthi sekuze kwaba yihlobo. Kuyabanda baBdokotela udla amasi lawa hlezi sizidla into ebiza amasi lawa. Bengibala imali eholwa imantshi enkantolo namaphela. Imantshi ehola le mali ke lena. Bengibala imali eholwa amakhansela. Njengoba sebanga nje manje ngasala lemakhaya. Ungangalala emakhaya ngemali encane ngaka. Nithengelana inkabi ngemali encane ngaka. Le mali engizokutshengisa yona ke manje na ke. Le imali exoshisa somatekisi usuke entshontshe le mali. Ubase nje makathola yikho imali nje ecash up yamxosha. Uyabuza ukuthi akusabanga khona ngisho 50 rand nje kade abantu bekhokha. Athi baba ngithele ngawo petrol yonke kade musungenza isilimo azongifunda umqondo wena. Kade ngaba namatekisi. Kushuthi usiyabona ukuthi imali yakho uyayintshontsha. Ukuthi akho ngisho umuntu okhokhe ngo10 rand. Kushuthi o10 rand, o50 rand konke ke kukhona ke. UBaBdokotela uthi ake sikhulume ngezincabo zokuthandazela. Abantu abathandazela abantu ufuna abathandazela abantu basinde. Bangaphenduki ihlayo. Siphume kumfundisi siphume lapho siye kuDokotela. Ayikho right lonto. Nazi ingcabo. esithandazela abantu ngazo simgcaba umuntu lento le ezandleni nawe nyanga osafufusa osazigcabela abantu ufuna sikugcabe ngalento okwenza ukuthi into ifaka kumuntu umuthi usebenze ufuna umuntu umgcabe ngalento ke suke senzele ukuthi wena ke osagcamela ngicabe umuntu mina nginabo abantu engibaholelayo namhlanje nje bayahola izolo kade bedla kwenye indawo ngeke ngisho ukuzofika uzosidubulela lapho esidla kamnandi kanjani yo i-table of 10 wakhipha nyanga abasebenzi bakho nje ngenodla ukudla okubizayo kungeyona ibirthday yakho sikhathele lama birthday alokuthi mase sekwe birthday wethatha umncwabo kungeyona nje ibirthday yakho ukukhiphe nje abasebenzi bakho bahambe bodla nje neboss kumnandi lokho Babu Dokotela ake uphinde usichazele nge-N-Hill isithwalo se-N-Hill isithwalo sesiduli lapha esidulini sithatha inkukhu ingxenye ethize enkukhwini siyigoqela ngemuva bese sokwenza sacrifice lapha yana meyiphuma lesantuthwane mase khona umuntu efuna sufaya lapha mase senza ke declaration ukuthi this is what you want and you want it forever and isidula sibhidliki sime esimile singaze sibhidlize umuntu asiphephuki specialize noma nganethi izo noma kanjani hleze sikhona isiduli ke leso Babu Dokotela usafuna ukukhuluma into esibiza ukuthi Khufu pharaohs. According to the study of mythology in Egypt, there were different kind of not in Egypt, in Kemet. Ngoba lento ukuthi Egypt ayitshelwa abantu base-Rome ise-Kemet laphana. Kwakunama pharaohs, igama elithi pharaohs lisho ukuthi kwakunezilo ondaba ezitha. Ahlukahlukene uyeke lento eshape kuthiwa kunesilo sasihamba sijaha abantu ngokapa babaleke bonke nolwandle bawelela ngaphesheya sibe sikhuluma leso silo leso. Laphana uBabu Dokotela last time I checked kune thombo igquma le pharaoh eyirish ngendlela eyisimanga and then what we did sicela abantu aba close to that area ukuthi abake basithathele la nhlabathi yakhona bathathe la nhlabathi yakhona siyisebenze senzele wena nami ukuthi siphile impilo engcono impilo ehlukile because when you tap to that sand not ukuthi ufike uthathe phezulu kwethuna no le ndawo le ithuna lika pharaoh lo ukhufu ligqume elikhulu and then isihlabathi sigcwele yonke indawo it's not controlled by anyone ungakwazi ukuthi ufike uzithathele nami uthi awufuni success and then but ufuna ube nayo imali 5 to 10,000 ufuna sikwenzele leyo nto leyo into enhlanhla nje kakhulu but into nje enhlanhla ukuthi ufuna into zenhlanhla hayi ukuthwala. Ake sikhulume nomuntu othi Babu Dokotela ngifuna usichazela kancane ngophondo kanye nesigubhu. Uphondo nesigubhu and then kuhamba kanje kuyiline i-engine no gearbox kufike kuhlangana kuhlonishwe i-class rate engine no gearbox kuyahambisana and then kuyayenza le nto lena ngiyikhulume into wena onebhizinisi wena osangabaza wena osafaka igubhu emanzini izimuke wena esakuthuma amadoda uthambo wagqiba uthi usabodwa wagqibephi wena ohamba ugqiba abantu eyolanda abantu emathuneni uthi usalibona ithuna obugqibe kulona hayi awukakabi serious thatha into yangempela sinobufakazi otherwise nanto uphondo ilento le isigubhu ilento but lokhu ku-empty Babu Dokotela wathi isigubhu ashude lento i-empty ayinalutho phakathi sikunika lento sikunike nophondo kukanjena uphondo nesigubhu la lento iyavulwa lento le bese sifaka izinto la zomsebenzi bese siyayivala lento le uma sesiyivalile lena ke hayi ngeke ngisachaza into eningi ngoba uzozongifunda umqondo ashiya kanjalo ake sikhuluma ngento ethiwa ama-med scales bathi abanye ayikho ima-med sesigqama sesinamafutha but okunye akukho kukhona ithambo lenkosazana kukhona ama-scales enkosazana ilento lesibiza ama-med scales ilento lesiyibekela these are ama-med scales lento lena ama-med scales lawo siwafake lana for umsebenzi lo muntu ozowenziwa ngalento umuntu ozothatha into enkulu and ufuna mase senemali mase ahambe kunikela ke kwinkosazana this is a mermaid scale and then sisho ukuthi kufuna ke uyazi ke lento esishoyo mesithi mermaid scale ngizafuna ukuthi ke uBabu Dokotela lokho ngakusho ngamabomu ngathi sizoba promoter osomabhizinisi not looking at nationality or tribality because ukuba uBabu Dokotela njengoba kuthiwa ngoba even nabelungu bathi Babu Dokotela bonke abantu babiza Babu Dokotela meaning that ngifuna ukuthi ke si market le workshop isiza ukuthi kule workshop eGobelo Road, what are they doing if they are still practicing? Ngifuna ukuzwa ngabo ngoba kusasa angifuni kuthiwa uBabu Dokotela uthe.
Speaking, hello.
Yes, you're speaking to Dr. Zuma. I'm calling you in Durban.
How's it, Dr. Zuma? How you doing?
No, beautiful. The reason why I'm calling you, last time we did have a clip interview about your workshop. All we need to know, now we're approaching festive, we need to service cars. We need to know whether your workshop, it is an accreditable and a reliable workshop whereby we can send our Jeep, our Porsche, our Mercedes Benz, and they will just tell us more about it.
Okay, Dr. Zuma, we basically are international, right? This is what we are. We are a Bosch certified workshop. We are RMI approved as well. What we do here at KZN Repair Center is all repairs, minor and major repairs on all types of vehicles. We specialize in Mercedes, BMW, VW as well. We run diagnostic scans on vehicles. We do engine repairs, engine rebuilds, gearbox overhauls, clutch overhauls, suspension work as well, brakes. We also follow all extended warranties such as Motor Ride, Innovation Group, M-Shore as well. So we also carry out service plans and maintenance plans on vehicles. So if your vehicle has a service plan, you can bring your car here and we can do your service and obviously load in claims via your service plan as well. It's very, very simple. How to book a service is call in. I'll give you the numbers again at the end of this call. Just for you guys to write it down and keep in contact with us. We are hands-on shop as well, so whatever repairs that we have that customers need to come and have a look at it, we call them in, they come over to our workshop. There's no hidden agendas. We'll show them exactly what we're talking about with our vehicles and how we're going by over and above repairs on the cars. We are situated on Amgeni Road, that's 969 Amgeni Road. Basically, if you're coming from the south side of KZN, you're going to come to the Southern Freeway. You're going to go to Margaret and Cardi Road, which is the old Victoria embankment.
Yes.
Thereafter, left into Stanger Street, then join Amgeni Road. We also have a WhatsApp number, so if you're going to book your vehicle and you don't know how to come, we'll send you a location via WhatsApp, and you can just follow that on Google Maps. So it'll be very, very simple for you to find us.
Talk to me. If I recently bought a car and only realized that, hey, the clutch is worn out here or gears are hard, and then you people, can you also help me with changing the clutch and then do something in my gearbox, putting new gearbox on? Tell me about it.
Okay, basically, if you have a clutch overhaul on your vehicle, right, what we do is we have a lead foreman that's in charge of the workshop and the fitment of vehicles. He will go ahead with the test drive on your vehicle before we go ahead and say, look, it is the clutch that's giving you a problem. So with regards to clutch repairs, it's numerous things that can be related to it. It could be a faulty clutch cable. It could be a faulty pressure plate that's in your vehicle as well. So we need to identify what is the cause of your hard gear change or your clutch overhaul that needs to be done before we go ahead and remove your gearbox and change your clutch kit for you. So thereafter, our foreman finds out and narrows it down. Look, this is a clutch overhaul on the vehicle. We then remove the gearbox from your car. We put in a brand new clutch, which we carry a warranty for, and replace your gearbox back onto your car, and then Bob's your uncle, your vehicle is repaired. Sorry, sir?
Now, if I have a problem with my clutch, if I bring my car on Monday, should I get it next week? You take like whole week just to do one clutch. Tell me about it.
No. It all depends on the type of vehicle as well. Look, if you have a 4x4 vehicle, it's going to be a bit difficult to take the gearbox out and then replace the clutch and put the gearbox back on. There's certain vehicles that have a subframe where we have to remove that there and then drop the gearbox as well. So it depends on the type of vehicle that we're working with. But obviously, if you need your vehicle back within the course of the day, we can get it done for you in the course of the day. We go over and above customers' means as well. We work from 7:30 to 5:30. If customers need their vehicles within the course of the day, we will work over and above our time within the day and get things sorted out for you so you can pick up the next day.
Oh, okay. If I had to call you on WhatsApp just to find out more, don't you have a website whereby you can able to browse it?
Yeah, no problem. Our website is available. It's kznrepaircenter.co.za. I'll give you all the information about our company telephonically after the call. So let me do this here now. So it's kznrepaircenter.co.za. That's our website where you'll be able to have a look at what we are covering and what our company is all about. It's a board certified workshop as well. You can read it over and you can understand more about us, about our company and where it's situated and what we carry, what banks we work under, and so on and so forth.
No,
All
thank
our
you.
company information is on that website as well.
Yeah, thank you very much. What number to call now? Because people after watching this video, probably next week, they will urgently look forward to call you.
Okay, the number on landline is 031 072 0115. That's our landline number. Give the number again to you, 031 072 0115. The cell phone number, obviously, it entails a 24 call assist where we on call 24 hours. It's 083 230 4454. The number is 083 230 4454. That's the number that you can get me on, Roderick, on 24 hours on call. So whenever you're on a Sunday and you feel that you have a problem with the vehicle and you need to bring it in, give us a call on that number there, and then I'll assist you. I'll answer that call. I'll assist you on what you can do with the vehicle, or whether it's necessary for you to tow it, and give you the best advice I can on your car. So the number again is 083 230 4454.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you very much.
100%. Thank you so much, Doctor. Have a nice day.
You're welcome.
Cheers and bye.
Babu Dokotela, Babu says, Babu Chaplile. Now it's a Wednesday. We are not biased. As long as you have paid us, we will do it. As long as we don't do things for free. It's not about friendship. Siyabonga Babu Dokotela, Babu says, Babu Chaplile.